in just 15 minutes. Hi, I'm Laurie from TTPM, and this is My Gnome on the Roam. This adventure kit is all about bringing families together for some serious and seriously fun bonding time. The kit comes packaged in a suitcase, or a backpack if you choose, and inside the kit is a customizable gnome figure, a Gnome on the Roam wooden pen, the My Gnome on the Roam book by Anne Armstrong, a blank journal, and a manual to help you get started. Basically, you read and color the book together, name and design your gnome figure together, and use the journal to write stories about your gnome, draw pictures, or collect souvenirs from your adventures. Along with the app, the My Gnome on the Roam website provides more inspiration for things that families can do. These adventures might include games, crafts, recipes, or going somewhere to explore, such as on a neighborhood walk. This activity kit will be a good way to bring families away from their phone screens and interacting face-to-face. In some cases, it might even get kids playing outside. We like the variety of activities and that the app and website have activity ideas, which makes it really easy for busy parents. Younger kids will like the fun of bringing the gnome along with them on their family adventures, and parents will like that with just 15 minutes each day, they are creating new family memories. This is recommended for ages 3 to 12, and there are such a variety of activities that there will be something for everyone in the family. For where to buy and current prices, visit TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more reviews every day.